Okay, so in this video here, we're going to talk about capacitor killers here, okay? So pretty much when you got two units like this side by side, you got a fence behind it. You actually had a fence in front of it too, like this one over here. So you had double fences. You got a fence in front. This will actually cause a lot of extra wear and tear on your air conditioning units and on all the components and parts in your AC system. Definitely in a lot of homes where there's not a lot of real estate in the backyard, the thing that suffers the most is the AC system. So really in a situation like this, there's not really a whole lot you can do here. I mean, even moving the AC units would be a big problem. So you kind of, when you buy a house like this, you kind of inherit kind of like a headache. Now, a lot of people sometimes get lucky, like in this case, but most people, when they have a setup like this, they're usually having issues with their AC every 3 years. Now, in this home here, it looks like they're not having that many problems, but eventually it's going to cause a lot of problems in the long run. And another reason why it looks like these units have also survived, if you notice in the backyard there's no grass, right? So since there's no grass back here, the units aren't sucking up grass, so that may have saved these units too. The actual condensers are pretty clean, but if there was actually grass back here, these machines would probably be gone by now.